Ito ang dahilan bakit maraming nagquiquit sa negosyo. Alam mo, every time we enter a business, no, what ends up happening is we go through these 5 stages. I call this the 5 stages of opportunity hopping. Yung unang stage is what we call uninformed optimism. Ito yung panahon kung saan yung lahat na nakikita natin is puro positive lang, puro mga success story, puro mga result. For example, yung kaibigan natin, no, yumaman sa Forex. Sabi natin, uy, ang ganda pala ng Forex. Or yung kaibigan natin yumaman sa dropshipping. So sinasabi mo, uy, ang ganda pala ng dropshipping. So what ends up happening here is we jump on that opportunity because everything that we see is puro positive lang. Kaya lang, we enter what we call stage number 2, which is what we call informed pessimism. Dito natin nakikita yung mga problema sa negosyong yun. Okay? For example, sa Forex, na-realize mo, uy, kailangan para nakatutok ako, kailangan para ma-manage ko yung emotions ko, kailangan para ng capital for me to have a bigger returns. Sa dropshipping, nakikita mo na, kailangan mo pa aralin yung ads. Kailangan mo pa ma-understand how to convert a stranger to a customer. No? All those things, these are the negative things we see in the business. And because of this, we enter what we call the valley of despair. Ito yung panahon kung saan we feel depressed, sad, disappointed, and parang gusto mo nang mag-quit. And in fact, this is the reason where people quit, right? And during this stage, this is where we look for other opportunities. So sabihin lang natin na nasa Forex trading ka, and then yung kaibigan mo, no, yumaman sa pagbibenta ng digital product. Sabi mo, uy, magandang opportunity siguro yan. So, ginawa mo, pinasok mo yan, nakita mo yung problema, na-depress ka, naghanap ka naman ibang opportunity. And this is why people don't succeed and keep jumping from opportunity to opportunity. So, ang tanong, ano yung solution? The solution is, it's not about the vehicle or the opportunity, it is about the time kung kailan ka nag-quit, right? So, just imagine from here, kung tinutuloy-tuloy mo yan, what ends up happening is you enter stage 4, which is informed optimism, kung saan nakita mo na yung mga negative, pero despite that, tinuloy mo pa rin. And that is how you achieve success and fulfillment. When you understand this framework, you now know na nag-quit ka pa dahil nasa valley of despair ka, or nag-quit ka because you don't really like what you're doing in the first place.